Bracing starboard. Watch your footing.
I'm noting severe delamination extending from the knee. What?
Yes, I see it. Let's flag that for immediate attention.
Careful now, easy. Steady on the left side. Steady on the left side. Almost there, hold it steady.
Conductivity readings are stabilizing in trough 3.
That confirms the extraction rate is consistent with the model.
We should increase the flow rate slightly. How are the readings looking?
Clearer than expected. We are making progress.
The oxidation patterns are clearly defined now.
This area shows significant active corrosion.
Into the fiber.
This section shows significant chloride presence.
Significant reduction in activity right here. Agreed. The passivation layer seems stable across the abdomen. Applying tension now. How does the alignment look?
It's holding steady. The stress on the weakened section seems relieved.
Confirmed stable. I'm noting the final settings.
We need to focus the treatment right here on the midsection.
Noted. I'll update the checklist for the team.
Looks structurally sound.
Agreed. The stabilization is complete.
The iron seems stable here, but look at the connection point.
Yeah. There's pitting corrosion starting under the patina.
Align the rods precisely on the grid.
This section of mesh is ready for cutting.
Okay, securing the edges now. Look at the strain gauge readings. The weight is distributing exactly as modeled.
That confirms the frame reinforcement is working effectively.
Check the resonance on this joint.
Solid. How does the reinforcement look on your side?
Excellent. The alignment is perfect. The mounting points show no signs of stress.
Agreed. Structural integrity confirmed. It's stable.
Documenting the improved rigidity and balanced posture achieved through careful reinforcement of the iron structure.
Alignment confirmed. Stress-free.
Excellent. The orientation is correct.
Structural integrity confirmed on the tablet. Looks solid. Great job, everyone. Yeah. We can start packing up the tools.
This pass seems to have evened out the surface consistency across the torso.
Yes, the reflection is uniform now.
I'll start the final buffing on the lower section.
I'm seeing some pitting right here on the torso.
Yeah. Let's mark that for immediate microtreatment before we apply the protective coating.
I'm moving to the left side now.
Okay, I'll cover the upper torso area. Check the coverage on the base.
The uniformity seems spot on. No excessive glare.
Yeah, agreed. The finish is exactly as specified.
Final review complete. It's ready.
Excellent. Noted.
Absolutely magnificent work. It's fully preserved.
It is. The structural integrity is sound. Time for the reveal.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Easy now. Confirming contact.
Looks good. Set it down.
Check the tension on the main straps.
Tight and secure. No stress on the surface.
Confirmed. We are ready.
Almost there. A little to the left. Okay, let it settle. Looks good. All right, bring it down slow. Easy now. Watch the base. Keep it steady. Almost there. Hold it. Hold it steady. Lowering now. Easy. All right, it's seated.
Looks straight to me. Yeah, the balance is good.
Solid.